Happy morning, students. Today we are going to see the topic repeated subtraction. Students, take your book, page number 50, open. Okay. Here one story is given. I will read. All of you listen carefully. Elilan, Kumaran and Iniyan went to Grandma's Chinnathai's house for holiday. She prepared tasty paniyarams for them. Observe the way she shared the paniyarams with them. Kumaran said, "Wow, Grandma, paniyarams, I love them." Elilan said, "I want more." Iniyan said, "No, I want more." Grandma said, "Don't worry, children, I will give you equally." Grandma said, "I have 9 paniyarams. I will give you one by one." Elilan said, "All of us got one and 3 paniyarams are over." Kumaran said, "You have 6 paniyarams, Grandma." Iniyan said, "We can write the same as. So, 9 minus 3 equal 6. Grandma said, "This is the second round." Iniyan said, "You can again give us 1 paniyaram each, Granny." Kumaran said, "Now you have 3 paniyarams left, Grandma." Elilan said, "This can be written as 6 minus 3 equal 3. Grandma, "Yes, then I guess I can give another round. This is the third round." Elilan said, "Wow, the third one, Grandma." Kumaran, "We all have 3 paniyarams each and your plate is empty, Grandma." Iniyan said, "So, it is 3 minus 3 equal 0. So, 9 minus 3 equals 6. 6 minus 3 equal 3. 3 minus 3 equal 0. From 9 we can take away 3 paniyarams 3 times. This is called repeated subtraction. Next, turn next page. One day, Ravi saw a tree full of jamun fruits. The gardener gave him more fruits. He counted them. There were 20 fruits. Ravi has 20 jamun fruits. He wants to give them to 5 of his friends. He distributed them one by one. First, he gave 1 jamun fruit to each of them, which can be expressed as 20 minus 5 equal 15. Ravi is left with 15 jamun fruits. He gives 1 more jamun fruit to each of them in the second time. This can be written as 15 minus 5 equal to 10. Now, Ravi is left with 10 jamun fruits. He again gives 1 jamun fruit to each of his 5 friends. We write this is 10 minus 5 equal to 5. Now, Ravi is left with 5 jamun fruits. He again gives 1 jamun fruit to each of his 5 friends. We write this 5 minus 5 equal 0. Finally, Ravi's bag is empty. He gives 5 fruits 4 times. Okay? Okay, students, take your pencil. Next to page number 17. Here, practice given. Now, we will write. First one, if Grandma Chinnathais had 12 paniyarams, how many paniyarams will each one of her 3 grandsons get? To begin with, we start with 12 paniyarams and distribute them to 3 grandsons. And so, 12 minus 3 equal 9. Complete the remaining repeated subtraction facts in the table given below. Okay, first one already done it. 12 minus 3 equal 9. Next, 9 9 minus 3 equal 6. 6 minus 3 equal 3. 3 minus 3 equal 0. Now each grandson gets 4 paniyarams. Okay. You count the step. 12 minus 3 equal to 9. 9 minus 3 equal to 6. 6 minus 3 equal to 3. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. That 4 you count and write. Okay. Next, if grandma had 20 paniyarams and there are 4 children, how many paniyarams will each child get? Complete the subtraction fact in the table given below. Okay. First you write 20 and subtract 4 each one. Okay. So 20 minus 4 equal what answer is coming? Correct. 16. Next 16 minus 4 equal 12. 12 minus 4 equal 8. 8 minus 4 equal 4. 4 minus 4 equal 0. Finally, each child gets 5 paniyarams. Okay students, all of you understood? Next, turn next page number 18. Write the subtraction facts for following. First one, subtract 2 repeatedly from 10. Okay, here 10 apples are there. You remove 2 each one steps. Okay. So 10 minus 2 equal 8. What answer coming? 8. 8 minus 2 equal 6. Next 6 minus 2 equal 4. 4 minus 2 equal 2. 2 minus 2 equal what answer? 0. So number of times 2 is subtracted to get 0. 5. Next, subtract 4 repeatedly from 20. Here 20 oranges are there. So you subtract 4 oranges in each one. First 20 minus 4 equal 16. What answer coming? 16. So 16 minus 4 equal 12. Next 12 minus 4 equal 8. 8 minus 4 equal 4. 4 minus 4 equal 0. Number of times 4 is subtracted to get 0? 5. So you write. Next page number 19. Draw the leaping position of the frog on the line to return to 0. 2 unit distance. So to 2 unit the frog is jump and go. 20 after 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Okay. The number of leaps how many? 10. Repeated subtraction facts. How do you write? 20 minus 2. What answer coming? 18. 18 minus 2? 16. 16 minus 2? 14. 14 minus 2? 12. 12 minus 2? 10. 10 minus 2? 8. 8 minus 2? 6. 6 minus 2? 4. 4 minus 2? 2. 2 minus 2 equal 0. Totally 10 leaps. Okay. Next 5 unit distance. Okay, the frog jumped 5 units. 20 minus 5, 15. 15 minus 5, 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. So, the frog jumps 5 distance. Repeated subtraction fact downside right. So, students, you also like this. Right? Number of leaps, how many leaps? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, you write 4. Next, 4 unit distance. The frog jumped 4 units. First, 20 minus 4 equals 16. 16 minus 4 equal 12. 12 minus 4 equal 8. 8 minus 4 equal 4. 4 minus 4 equal 0. So, the repeated subtraction fact I will write down. How many leaves? So, 5 leaves. So, you write the number 5. Now, mental maths first one. Vanita had 50 mangoes and she made pockets of 5 mangoes each and sold them. How many pockets does she make? Now, first you write the number 50 and subtract 5 each. 50 minus 5, 45. Like this you subtract. Finally, how many pockets she make? 10 pockets she make. Each step you count and write. So totally 10. Next, second one. There are 30 notebooks in a box. If 6 notebooks are to be given to each student, how many students will get the notebooks? First you write 30 and subtract 6. Okay. 30 minus 6 equal 24. Like this you subtract. How many students you give the notebooks? How many steps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 students get the notebook. Next, 20 members planned to cross the river by boat. Each boat can carry 4 members. How many times the boat needs to take them? So, first you write the number 20 and each one you subtract 4, 4, 4. So, 20 minus 4 equal 16. Like this you subtract. So, how many boats need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, the 5 times the boat cross the river. Next, fourth one. Mani has 15 rupees with him. If he wants to buy newspaper by spending 3 rupees a day, for how many days can he buy the newspapers? Okay, first you write the number 15. Each one you subtract 3 rupees. Okay, 15 minus 3 equal 12. Like this you subtract on 0. So, how many days he buy the newspaper? You count the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, the 5 days he buy the newspaper. Next, last one. Kavya's uncle gave her 20 date fruits and asked her to eat 2 fruits a day. How many days can she eat the fruits? First you write 20 and subtract 2 each. Okay, 20 minus 2 equal 18. Like this you subtract. How many days she eat date fruits? You count the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So totally 10 days she eat date fruits. Okay. Thank you students. How to write my book? You also write in your book.